Hey everybody, got a video here on Super Clean. They sent me a message and they contacted me and they wanted me to do a giveaway. So I got a giveaway here I'm going to do for these hair tube products. One of them's a Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner to Greaser, and it comes in an aerosol can. The other is just their Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner also. Pretty much the same product, I think, but they wanted me to do a giveaway, and so I want to do a drawing for these. Whoever wins will get a bottle of this one and a can of this one sent to them at no charge from Super Clean. And all you got to do to enter the contest is like the video, comment, subscribe. But on your comment, let me know that you're interested in these, that you want it. And you gotta be in America because they won't ship outside of the US, so that's another thing. On a drawing, I don't know if I will do a video of me drawing it or if I'll just draw it and contact you. But either way, we'll have a winner, and I will pick the winner Friday. So we got a few days here that you can enter yet. And after that, I'll pick the winner. I'll forward your address and name and that onto Super Clean, and they will ship these out to you. We'll go ahead and test it out though. I got a greasy mower part here. We'll give it a try on that. We'll use the stuff in the can here and see how it does. From personal use, I really like this stuff. It works great. I mainly use the spray bottle of it. And they do have a floor cleaner also that you can use. Not a floor cleaner, but like an oil dry that you can put on oil and all that to absorb it. And it works pretty good. I'll also put a link down to Super Clean's website in case you're interested in purchasing through them. And this here one foams up also. I forgot to mention that as you're spraying it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's kind of eating away at some of the grease and dirt and all that that's built up on this. We'll leave it soak for a minute and I'll try to wipe it off, see how much comes off. May have to do a second time of it because these are really bad. But yeah, overall, they also have the foaming kind in the spray bottle here that you can purchase from them, and that works just as good as their other products. They do have a wheel cleaner that you can use on your tires and rims and that. I don't know how good that works. I haven't tried it, but I plan on trying it, but I'm not sure when, and I'll probably do a video on it. We'll go ahead and try to wipe this off some now since it's soaked on there a little. As you can see, that's really bad there, so. But it did take it off towards the top up here pretty good. We'll go ahead and spray it some more. This here is pretty thick also down along this part here. It's probably about a 1/4 of an inch thick, so. I should have scraped it off a little, but I wanted to see how good it would work eating through it. Actually, we'll go to this here spray bottle of it. This hair kind doesn't foam off like the other does and stick air to it. On this here you can see the grease kind of running away, mixing in with the cleaner. Okay, I'll go ahead and try to wipe it off some more here. Yep, I would have took and scraped some of that off. This would have came really clean without having to do several times on it. As you can see, here's one of the chunks that came off of it. We'll try one more time on it. For as greasy as it was, it's doing a really good job. And it might have done even better if I'd have let it soak a little longer. And I want to thank Super Clean for sponsoring and doing this giveaway with me. And I'll actually be doing one on Instagram also. So if you want to go over there and follow me, I think it's still under MrJustDIY there, or just Mr. DIY with a number 1. I'm not for sure. But I can put the link down below for you. I also have a TikTok that I started, and I just did a giveaway on there. I could get this a lot better if I did it one more time probably, but I'm not going to. But as you can see, it cleaned it up pretty good compared to what it was. But when I took this off the mower, like I said, it was super bad. The rest of the mower, the deck, not the deck, but the frame part was pretty corroded up with stuff. I power washed it after letting some of this hair degreaser soak on it. But don't forget to comment, like the video, subscribe, and make sure you leave in the comment that you're interested in the drawing. And have a great day, everybody. Take care, and bye.